here. Lunch is almost ready. I made one of my favorite soups, a goosey soup. Hi, my name is Kavachi and I'm the creator and founder of the Art of FuFu. And I love cooking West African food, especially FuFu. And no West African food is complete without FuFu. So before you eat FuFu, you have to wash your hands. Very customary, because we don't use spoons, we don't use forks, we use our fingers. And a good way to make sure that you are eating FuFu the correct way is to always have a bowl of water next to you, because it helps you to roll the FuFu. And most of the time, it's always good to use one hand, but some people use two if they're new to it. The goal is to get a size that it's reasonable for you to be able to swallow, because FuFu back home is called swallow. That's the short name or the nickname for FuFu. So once you roll the FuFu into a nice ball, you'll pinch, and then you'll come in, and then you'll scoop it. Like I said, back home we swallow the FuFu. We don't chew it, we swallow. This is so good. I love a goosey soup.